License revocation is not the end of the world. It's just about the end of the world. But then there is the opportunity to restore your license. The way this works is you have to reapply for your license after 3 years. 3 years have to pass by before you can do the restoration. There's an application you can find online, and you apply to the Department of Education, not the Department of Health if you're a physician, to the Department of Education. And you have to have 5 witnesses, 3 of whom are with your same degree. That is, if you're an MD, 3 MDs. And there can be 5 MDs, but there have to be 5 affidavits attesting to your, the reason you want to get your license back. You will then have a hearing scheduled, and none of this happens quickly, but probably over a 6-month to year period, they will schedule a hearing. You will go to that hearing, hopefully with an attorney who can guide you on this. You will go, and not just you will testify, but in fact you will bring some of the witnesses. I usually bring about 3 witnesses as opposed to 5, but I do bring 3, and I have them testify that they think you should have your license restored. Those witnesses have to know why you lost your license, and they have to know that in their own minds that you have overcome whatever problem that was, and you now have the ability and should have your license restored. These hearings take anywhere from half a day to a full day, and then there is a decision, a recommendation made by the panel. It then goes on, if they say they are okay and they recommend you get your license back, there is then a rather long administrative trail still ahead of you, but that is the start, and that's the start you want to get. You want to get them to say, we recommend that this person have his license restored. These are difficult cases because the reason you lost the license was probably very unpleasant, but it can be dealt with on occasion, and you can get your license back. There at least is an opportunity.